Who knows what tonight is?
Shabbat!
Shabbat Shalom, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am vlogging another of our family Shabbats. Me and Zachary have just been playing outside because the weather is absolutely gorgeous and we've just been enjoying it, but we do gotta go inside and start getting ready for Shabbat. And I am so glad you guys are here to join us. So if you like these Shabbat vlogs, don't forget to give them a big thumbs up to let me know, and hit that red subscribe button down below if you want to see more Jewish mom content. Alright, you ready? Are you ready? Let's get ready for Shabbat. Yeah. Okay, so first up with my kitchen cleaning is the dishwasher. I swear, I have so many dishes in my house. We run the dishwasher every day. Is that normal? I think it is normal for a family of 5, but it just astounds me how they stack up every single day. But doing a big clean out for Friday for Shabbat, and this time I'm gonna actually like make sure there's nothing left in the sink and wipe the countertops and all that. So for Fridays, I do more than just like the daily kitchen maintenance. I like to have our home looking beautiful to go into Shabbat and the weekend, and it just feels so nice to have everything taken care of and done. So even though like the dishes is a daily routine, of course, actually putting them all away, all the dry dishes away and everything like that is special for Shabbat, and just all those little things that end up on the countertop that shouldn't be there. And then the last thing I do for the dishes is just clean the actual sink itself. Sometimes I use Comet, I think it's called, sometimes just a rinse. And now I can move on to tidying up the rest of the kitchen. Like I said, there is just so much random clutter that accumulates. Our kitchen island is like the center of our home, so everything just gets placed there. It's where we get ready in the mornings, and obviously all the food prep, so it's just a little clutter pile sometimes, but that's okay. So I just put our Shabbat stuff out on the counter, and I think I'm gonna let my kids sprinkle the challah today. I actually made an Instagram reel about this, or I think I made a reel about it. I can't even recall. If you're not following me on Instagram, check it out. It's at My Jewish Mommy Life. But what we do sometimes is if we get a store-bought challah, this is just from Trader Joe's, I put a little bit of icing sugar and water, just to like create a little bit of icing, and then we'll sprinkle really cute sprinkles on top, and it just makes it fun and special. The kids love it, of course. Let me show you guys the sprinkles I got. I just got these off Amazon. They're these ones. They're these. How cute are they? I'll link them below. I need to warn you, I've used them a lot, like for Instagram stuff. They are, the giant ones are a little bit hard on your teeth, so just be careful of that. But the little ones in it are fine. Speaking of the little ones, hello. Hello, where are you going? Where are you going, chasing the camera? Why are you so cute? He is just moving and zooming everywhere. I think I've said it before, I swear he's the fastest baby. Do you want the camera back? You want to see that smiley baby? Is that your friend? Oh, don't eat the camera. So I did some Amazon Prime Day shopping. I'll show you everything I got, but I wanted to show you this first. This is the KidCraft Shabbat set. It is gorgeous. I'm sure I've shown you guys, we have the Passover and the Rosh Hashanah sets. We didn't have the Shabbat one. It actually was only on sale by a few dollars, but I just had to get it. But it is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but the pieces are all made of wood. They're really high quality. Like I said, we have the other holiday sets and they've lasted really well. But the Shabbat one, I think it's about $20. It comes with a wooden challah board and the kids can do like the challah cutting. There's Velcro between the pieces. It's so cute. Again, this is all wood. They have the candles they can put in the candlesticks, the wine, the Kiddush cup, the wine, and there's even the siddur. It's so sweet. A little bag and a challah cover. So I just wanted to recommend this if you're looking for gifts for Jewish children. This is stunning, just gorgeous, 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 really high quality set they'll keep for years. So go check it out. I'll put the link below. Now it's time to get started on the dinner prep. I like to make the actual dinner for Shabbat dinner earlier in the day on Friday so everything is prepped and ready to go. And sometimes I'll even cook it and then put it in the refrigerator or leave it out, just depending on like if it's meat or whatnot. But I like to have it cooked earlier in the day so I can clean up from that and the house can still be clean and ready to go for Shabbat. So I'm doing stuffed zucchini peppers. These are so, so delicious. All you have to do is chop up some onion, and I'm using ground chicken here. You can use ground beef or ground turkey or ground tofu, whatever you like, and just flavor it however you like. I really do a really random mix of spices. If I'm using turkey or chicken, I'll usually do the McCormick's chicken spice. It's just easy. I also like to use the Ozem soup powder spice. And then to make the zucchini boats, you just cut the zucchini in half lengthwise and then use a little spoon to hollow it out to make room for the turkey filling. And I save the inner part from the boat and cook it with the turkey. So that way you have a more substantial dish and get more veggies in it. Some people add rice to it. I like to just serve the rice on the side, and I'll also serve the extra meat on the side because there's always more than actually fits in the boats. But the boats are really cute and just makes it like a nice special meal for Shabbat. So I start by sauteing the onions in the pan, and then I get the turkey and zucchini in with it and then just let it all brown. It'll finish cooking in the zucchini boats in the oven at the end, but I like, just because it's meat, to make sure it's cooked all the way through before I put it in the boats. Okay, and then next I'm going to show you guys how I prep the challah for sprinkling with the boys. So I just put icing sugar and water together in a bowl to make a little icing, and then I take a store-bought challah and some really pretty sprinkles like I showed you, and then just have that ready to go in the clean kitchen. I'm just showing you guys that the kitchen's clean. And then there's the dinner prepped and ready to go. So everything is ready. So when the boys come home from camp, it's just done. No more cleaning left to do. We can just enjoy being home and getting ready for Shabbat. What are you guys doing to my challah?
Sprinkling it.
Sprinkling it. Wow, you guys are doing a great job. So I mentioned we were going to sprinkle our challah, and that's what the boys are up to right now.
Time for me to eat.
You can have a few sprinkles now. So what we did is we put some icing sugar on top with a little bit of water to make an icing, and then the boys are putting all the sprinkles on. Check out their sprinkle challah. You guys like it? Who knows what tonight is?
Shabbat!
What are you guys doing for Shabbat? That's special.
We're having a sleepover in my bedroom.
That's right. Every Friday, the boys get a sleepover. Zachary, are you old enough for the sleepover yet? Not yet, but he wishes, right?
Good.
Zachary wishes he could come to the boys' sleepover, don't you? Pretty soon, I bet. Thanks for decorating the challah, guys. It looks awesome. So we're home from camp, and I'm just taking a break now, hanging out with the boys. They're doing monster trucks. Zachary's trying to get in on the action. Doggies are here too. It's hot, but it's actually a nice day. It's not too bad. Not too humid. But yeah, so enjoying that summer Shabbat. So here's the kitchen all set and ready for Shabbat. We've got our sprinkle challah, kiddush wine, candles, flowers, and that's it. We're ready to go. And here I am just doing the very last step before we eat dinner, which is just to fill the boats with the meat filling mixture. You can pile it pretty high because it's already cooked through, so you don't really need to worry about that. This is just going to be to brown it and cook the zucchini boat part in the oven. And then with the extra filling, I'm just putting it in a baking dish, and I'll put that in the oven too as well, just to warm it through. And that's the rice on the side. And then I'm also making some broccoli for dinner, just putting that in the oven as well. Just some plain broccoli, salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil. So everything is just in the oven, ready to go for dinner. I don't have to do anything. Here is what everything looks like, ready to go. I mentioned I would show you guys the other stuff I got on Prime Day. So really quickly, I got this color printer. I did ages of research on it, so I hope it's good. I did a few test prints. Good so far. I'll link it if anyone's interested. It's I think it was $200 on Prime Day, so pretty good deal. And the other thing I got was a second Oofy vacuum. So this is like a robot vacuum. We have one downstairs and just love it so much. I wanted one upstairs too. Definitely a luxury, but because it was on the Prime Day sale, I got it. So it's almost dinner time here, and I'm gonna wish you guys a Shabbat Shalom, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button down below. Let me know if you want to see more summer Shabbat vlogs this summer or whatever content. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye!